Okay, here with the trial run. So Keith, turn it on. Okay, pump is working back there. So he's trying the towboard roller. Towboard roller is pretty fast. Backstops are very slow, but a little slow, but we did them very sturdy. So now towboard, the tube plane, up and down pretty fast, left and right. Well, I think we're good. We're working that now. I've been pretty happy with that. So now we put in the log. We want to try that big log.